To me, EuroPython means community, friendship, and learning.
New Python memories.
For me, EuroPython means sharing, community, and networking.
Well, this is my first EuroPython ever. I find it really inspiring, the amount of different talks and people to meet here, and very much enjoy the variety of stuff here.
EuroPython is a lovely experience with vibrant community, which I loved very much this year.
For me, EuroPython, it's fun, it's energizing, and it's stimulating.
Me personally, I'm data scientist or data analyst. It gave me the overview over the spectrum of tools I can be using, and that's really great for the beginner because on the beginning it looks like a jungle. So I'm really happy to be here.
For me, EuroPython means everybody is here.
Basically, I was keen on learning about how other companies do or deal with Python and get some inspirations to try here, and this perfect conference to learn all that. And I think I'll take back something good from here.
Python is community, for sure, diversity, and future.
Yeah, it's been my first time attending EuroPython and I really loved it. It's been a great experience with a lot of different talks and various topics. It was nice to see all of that and I'm very excited to attend again in the future.